theme for your party. Select a dish for your party. First, we need to prepare the ingredients. Cut all the items. That's right. Way to go! Well done! Now let's add the ingredients to the bowl. That's right! Well done! Great! Now you need to stir the ingredients. Way you go! The dough is ready! Time to oil the baking tray. You're almost there! Now you need to place the food on the baking tray. Yeah! All the ingredients are in! Just need to bake the cake now. Our cake is ready! It's time to get the party ready! Let's cut out the garland! Now decorate the backyard! How pretty! Great garland! How pretty! That looks delicious! Finally, we can have a snack! Catch pieces with your mouth! Way to go! That's right! Well done! That was really tasty. There's a lot of tap the piñata to break it.